Hello guys, welcome back to channel. Sorry for the long break. Hope all are fine in this pandemic. Today we will see 8 most profitable plants to grow in 2021. Don't have a big farm? Don't worry, these crops can be grown in your house place as well. Ready to earn money. Growing plants for profit is a great way to turn your gardening skills into serious cash. While most of us immediately think of tomatoes or salad greens, the most profitable plants are specialty crops that are not always found in a home vegetable garden. Many specialty crops can bring as much as $90,000 per acre, and are quite easy to grow. 1. Bamboo. Landscapers and homeowners are paying as much as $150 each for potted bamboo plants, and many growers are finding it hard to keep up with the demand. Why is bamboo so popular? It's a versatile plant in the landscape, as it can be used for hedges, screens, or as standalone specimen plants. 2. Flowers. If you are looking for a high-value specialty crop that can produce an income in the first year, take a look at growing flowers for profit. 3. Ginseng. Nicknamed green gold, the value of this plant is in its slow-growing roots. Asians have valued ginseng for thousands of years as a healing herb and tonic. 4. Ground covers. Due to high labor costs and water shortages, ground covers are becoming the sensible, low-maintenance way to landscape. 5. Herbs. Growing the most popular culinary and medicinal herbs is a great way to start a profitable herb business. The most popular culinary herbs include basil, chives, cilantro, and oregano. Medicinal herbs have been widely used for thousands of years, and their popularity continues to grow as people seek natural remedies for their health concerns. 6. Landscaping trees and shrubs. With individual plants bringing as much as $100 in a 5-gallon pot, many small backyard plant nurseries are enjoying success on a small scale. 7. Mushrooms. For those without space to garden, growing mushrooms for profit can produce a great return in a small space. Exotic mushrooms, such as oyster and shiitake, make sense, as they can be grown indoors without soil. 8. Ornamental grasses. Because ornamental grasses are drought tolerant and low maintenance, landscapers are using more and more of them, as are homeowners. These were the best 8 cash crops you can easily grow, and earn lots of money by selling them. Hope you liked the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel.